If you are wondering if we have split screen available on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, then the answer is yes, we do. And in order to actually activate an app in split screen, or actually two apps in split screen, first of all, we're going to open any of the apps that you want to use in split screen. Then we want to go to the background apps, and you want to press and hold your finger on the app preview. Over here, you should be able to find this button, these two rectangles close together, or one rectangle split in two halves. You want to tap on it in order to open the first app in the split screen. And then of course we can go to the home screen, for example, and open another app that we want to use. Of course, as long as it is supported, because as you can see in this case, it is not supported. So we can also switch from the floating window mode as well. But let's say we're gonna open settings, and as you can see, we have split screen activated. So we can move up and down as well by grabbing by this white line in the middle between these apps. We can also tap on these three dots at the top of each app in order to find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.